from a city of G's where we ride a slang thing. Old school Chevrolets make it a swing. East side rippin', hella fine, hold the chain. You better think twice, me and you are not the same. The homie Nana from the city of Compton, he tatting them fools up, sippin' on head. The homie get down with the ink of a pen, becoming a masterpiece when it reaches the skin. Scandalous when it comes to them bitches, no love for a trick, all they want is our riches. We OGs on them D's hitting switches, talk shit, end up in some stitches. We run deep on the streets of Cali, from the east to the west, from the south to the valley. Overseas, Amsterdam and Japan, representing for the Raza, homie, that's the brand. West Coast, California, land of palm trees, hood rap bitches, riders and bone weed, reppin' the streets, we get tents on faces. All around the world on board, we leave traces. West Coast, California, land of palm trees, hood rap bitches, riders and bone weed, reppin' the streets, we get tents on faces. All around the world on board, we leave traces.
You better watch what you say, we got homies in the Bay, man, throughout the whole feds and throughout the whole state. We could tell you who is and who ain't, who's real and who's fake, who go hard, who go soft in the paint. But now we about that guap, whether it's rap, selling beats, tattooing, or moving in wops. Cause real recognize real for Downton and Compton and 6 symphonies and cultural image, no nonsense.
Needle in your arm, gun in your stomach, living the blasted life, LA's most wanted. Everybody knows who run it. Them California artists are the hardest when you ask who done it. I know some homies from back in the day that went from killing the black and brown to murdering the black and gray. If a Cali artist comes your way, get your bike, get in them bottle of Jack and let him blast away.
West Coast, California, land of palm trees, hood rap bitches, riders and bone weed, reppin' the streets, we get tents on faces. All around the world on board, we leave traces. West Coast, California, land of palm trees, hood rap bitches, riders and bone weed, reppin' the streets, we get tents on faces. All around the world on board, we leave traces. West Coast, California, land of palm trees, hood rap bitches, riders and bone weed, reppin' the streets, we get tents on faces. All around the world on board, we leave traces. West Coast.
Sem 5101, máte skaly a naši ľudia, náš svet. Poďte moji zlatí, prevediem vás našim svetom, kde je brána zatvorená pred hlupákom aj pred fetom, kde je fetom železo, ktoré robí z tela betón a adrenalín otcom, všetkým jeho deťom. Zásady sú samozrejmosť ako hroby s kvetom, o to jeden za všetkých a všetci za jedného deto. Práve preto je to podsta pre mňa písať riadky tieto, ktoré budú znieť ulicou, štadiónom, kabaretom. To bratov večne prebližného, každý rád sa zohne, oko za oko je tradícia jak bengálske ohne. Takisto aj zvesti skázy za sprievodu piesni pesti, preto držte doma vaše rozmaznané ratolesti. Kto do teba kameňom, ty hoď po ňom 200. Zákon píše ulica, pre Bibliu není miesto. Pre tých v uniformách máme iba jedno gesto. Náš svet je náš, chránime si svoje mesto. Náš svet sú štadióny, kluby. Náš svet nepochopený pre ľudí. Náš svet nosíme si v hrudi. Náš svet, na ktorý sme hrdí. Náš svet sú štadióny, kluby. Náš svet nepochopený pre ľudí. Náš svet nosíme si v hrudi. Náš svet, na ktorý sme hrdí. Rozhľadni sa okolo seba, povedz mi, čo vidíš. Tú druhú stranu ulice očami ľudí iných, udávajúcich si vlastný trend, štýl a smer. Sme nepochopení, majú nás preto za štvanú smer.